Narcissism and mental health, latest research and discoveries. Narcissism is a complex personality trait that can significantly impact the mental health of those involved. In recent years, research has shed new light on the dynamics of narcissism and its effects on mental health. In this article, we will explore the latest findings and research on the subject. Definition and types of narcissism. Narcissism is commonly divided into two main categories: grandiose narcissism and vulnerable narcissism. Grandiose narcissism is characterized by an exaggerated sense of self-importance, a constant need for admiration, and contempt for others. Vulnerable narcissism involves a sense of vulnerability and insecurity, masked by an attitude of superiority. Narcissism and mental health. The relationship between narcissism and mental health is complex. While grandiose narcissism may be associated with a superficial sense of accomplishment and well-being, vulnerable narcissism is often correlated with symptoms of depression, anxiety, and insecurity. Current research focuses on how narcissism can influence different aspects of mental health. The role of empathy. One key aspect of narcissism research is the role of empathy. Grandiose narcissists tend to lack empathy, focusing on themselves and neglecting the needs and feelings of others. This lack of empathy can lead to interpersonal conflicts and social isolation. Narcissism and eating disorders. Some studies have suggested a connection between narcissism and eating disorders, such as anorexia nervosa and bulimia. People with narcissistic tendencies may be particularly susceptible to developing disorders related to body image and an obsession with appearance. The impact of narcissism on psychological well-being. Research has highlighted that narcissism can affect psychological well-being in different ways. While grandiose narcissists may enjoy moments of high self-esteem, vulnerable narcissism is often associated with a sense of vulnerability and insecurity. These feelings can lead to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Narcissism and therapy. Therapy is often recommended for those struggling with narcissism or related mental health issues. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, have been successfully used to address challenges related to narcissism and associated mental health conditions. Future research. Research on narcissism and mental health is continuously evolving. Scientists are working to better understand the complex dynamics between narcissism and mental disorders, with the aim of developing more effective and personalized treatments for those affected. Conclusion. Narcissism can have a significant impact on the mental health of those involved. While grandiose narcissism may be associated with a superficial sense of well-being, vulnerable narcissism can lead to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Current research focuses on developing a deeper understanding of how narcissism influences mental health and improving treatments for those affected. Therapy remains a key tool in managing narcissism and enhancing psychological well-being.